Welcome everybody to the Just Money gift card special. Today I'm going to be going over how to send the gift card to your loved ones and friends for Christmas and how to give them the gift of cryptocurrency so the gift can keep giving. This is your crypto captive speaking. I am not a financial advisor, and let's get to it. So for you who is trying to send crypto to your friend or family, there's two ways you can go from the main screen, and the web page is justmoney.gift. This is the developer web page, so you can push send gift or you can push send a gift right here. And when you do that, it'll bring you to this. You can select your network, which right now we don't have Binance Smart Chain. It's just going to be Tron for today. Any token available on the Just Money exchange, you'll be able to send as a gift to your loved ones. For today, we're going to send Just Money on TRX. Actually, I want to show you something cool before I'll go to BBT. BBT has its own special card, right? And a couple of other ones have them too, but today we're sending Just Money. All right. And you're going to select which card you would like to send to your recipient, which will be, we're going to go with Happy Holidays here. This nice artwork by Lena. We're going to push next. See, by Lena Hammett. All right, and then we're going to push next. It skipped a step for me, but it's going to ask you on this screen right here, it's going to ask you to connect to your wallet. Because I've already connected to my Tronlink wallet, it's not going to force me to connect again. All right. And then once you have connected your wallet, you are going to type in your name, which we'll say I'm Billy Joel today, and and you're going to send the email of the person you would like to send a gift to. Right? Please don't spam my personal email too often. You're going to input the amount you would like to send, which we're going to send 100,000. And this is the estimated cost. Currently, it says 2 TRX fee here, but this may be more or less in the future. I'm not sure. And you are my best friend. Let's get JM Rich. All right, and then you'll push send gift. And then you'll sign, and it'll tell you the energy and bandwidth and the total cost that it's requesting. And it also is going to have a little bit of extra TRX than what's down here to give them enough energy to send it to whatever wallet they have. All right, congratulations. And there's an important notice here. Sometimes the gift card ends up in the user spam folder, especially because they contain information about cryptocurrency. We recommend you to follow up with the recipient after a while and do make sure they have received the card. This is important, and if they're new to cryptocurrency, I would make sure that you teach them how to do this. If you are a recipient of a Just Money gift card, what you'll do is you will open up the email, and you'll see I sent 2 because I've been making, I reset my video and started over so that you guys could get a fresh copy. But you will receive this, right? And it says, you have received a cryptocurrency gift. You can download the image if you like, if it makes you happy, put it on the back of your screen. You will push redeem gift. And for those of you that don't have a Tronlink wallet, I will add a time notch ahead of this one to explain how to get a Tronlink wallet. And you will push redeem gift. And what it will do is it will bring up a wallet address and a private key. You're going to want to write this down or store it in a safe place. Usually it's not recommended to store it on your computer for too long. This information will disappear after an hour, and you won't be able to retrieve it once you've pushed that button. So be aware of that Once you have this, you want to save it as soon as possible. Once you click off of this web page and it's been an hour, that link will no longer work. And I have a link in here to show that to you. I think it's in the promotions here. This one? 718? Nope, it's not that one. It's this one. See if I push redeem. Failed to fetch because we delete the information. That way there's no security risk. Or we try to make the security risk as minimal as possible. But if you accidentally cancel out of this guy and you need to go back, oh no, you can go back in, redeem gift again. No big deal. Just make sure you do it within an hour, all right? One thing I would like to state if you are new, this private key here, you shouldn't be sharing this with anyone. This private key gives the person with the private key permission to use this wallet address. So keep that in mind. Don't let someone scam you out of your private key. Don't let someone scam you out of your mnemonic phrase either. All right, and for those of you who have never heard of a Tron or don't know what it is, don't know how to take all these off of the Tron network, what you're going to do is go to tronlink.org. You're going to go to browser extension. If you are on PC, you'll go to browser extension. If you're on Android or iOS, you would select which one you're on, and you can download it from there. And all the steps are pretty similar on mobile as well. So you can do Chrome, and the Chrome one works for Brave, Chrome, and Microsoft Edge. I'm not sure of other browsers. I haven't tried. The button I pushed here was install, and it's going to take a moment to install. And you see it pops up here, and I'm going to pin it. And then you go in. Don't double click it. I always do, and I always wait for nothing. You're going to create a password and make it something secure. If you're new, you really need to make sure it's secure because people can steal your funds, and that's not okay. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to hit restore. You're going to name the account, and you can name it whatever you want. Nothing special there. And you're going to come over to the gift. You're going to select the private key. You're going to type in the name again because I was mid-process and it doesn't like that. You're going to click private key. You're going to paste that private key. You're going to click continue. And this is what you get. And it's going to be weird because you've only got one Tron. I believe in the future we're going to raise that to a number to where you could actually send the asset out. If you click on this plus, you can see that the tokens, the 100,000 tokens that have been sent to you, are right here. You would push this plus, and then it saves it to your display, and then you have those tokens here. If you're brand new to cryptocurrency, it's not going to kill you to just keep this wallet instead. But if you are someone who has their own wallet and doesn't want to reuse this wallet, same thing. You would click the plus, you would click the JM. In the future, we should send enough TRX with the transaction to where you could transfer it to whatever wallet you want. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. This is a nice step towards a cryptocurrency future. Get your friends and family into it. And I'll see you next time.